Good morning. Today we have a quick little math activity that could be done from home. All you need is a set of domino, complete or incomplete, a piece of white paper. I'm going to model how I just quickly sketch this out. You can play it two ways. You draw two horizontal lines, 1 through 6 on the bottom, 7 through 12 at the top, which corresponds with the number of partitions and then the total, so that the child can then station it where it belongs. My son likes to play like if it's a runway and the plane is flying in either direction, and it's going to station itself in its corresponding slot. Rapidito, un juego bien simple. Lo único que se ocupa es una cajita de dominó completa o incompleta, un papel en blanco, dos líneas en el centro horizontalmente del 1 al 6, de 7 al 12, y los niños lo pueden utilizar como una carretera o como una pista de aterrizaje donde entran los aviones y aterrizan dependiendo en cuántos puntos. So looking at the points, I pull one out. This could be an independent task. Puede ser un trabajo donde el niño lo puede hacer independientemente con el apoyo del adulto. And so we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's landing and it's coming in. And boom, it's stationed in there. Oh, we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Paso a paso, aterriza y se estaciona. And you continue that until you go through the whole box. They're going to discover that there's multiple ones and might leave the paper. They might have to create a new one on that end, let them take it on. Rapidito, completo, sigo, van a descubrir que van a haber suficientes opciones, pero especialmente el número 5, 6, 7, 8 y 9. Así que dejen, si se acaba el espacio, que se salgan de la hoja o que el niño ayude a crear algo más grande. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y 5 son 10. Okay, quick little activity to do at home. It involves counting, it involves adding, and overall, young kids really enjoy. Muy simple, un jueguito donde los niños tienen que contar 1 a 1, sumando, y toma 0 preparación, y los niños se divierten bastante. Gracias.